What up, everybody? It's Mad Mark, and today we are in Dyker Heights. So I'm going to show you guys the nicest decorated houses in Dyker Heights, like this house behind me. Come on, tag along in the journey. Look at this first house that I saw. It's mad nice. Like, look. I'm gonna show you guys. Look at that. Woo! Look at that house. And if you go across the street, right? Let's go across the street. Watch this. Watch this. He got fake snow going around. Look. Look at that. Look, got a little fake snow going on. Nice. Don't y'all feel like the spirit of Christmas is here? Look at that. We got more. We got some more houses to go look at. We got some more. Don't leave yet. We got more. Look at these girls. They got the spirit of Christmas for real. Look. Look. They lit. To go riding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Hey. Jingle all around the clock. Make Santa mingle and a jingle and beat. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell ride. That's the Christmas spirit that you need, guys. Bye. So right now we on 12th and 84th Street, right? This whole block is literally decorated. Like, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm in the middle of the street. Cars are coming. Like, there's one house that's on this block that everybody wants to come to because it's very big on Instagram, TikTok, on YouTube, that you gotta come and visit this house. Let's go show you. I'm gonna show you the house that's on this block. As you can see behind me already, you see how decorated? It is lit up over here. Let me show you guys. Look at this. And they still decorating. They actually still decorating their house. Look. Look on this side. Look at this. Let me get out of the street so you guys could really see the houses. Look at that. Look at that. Right? I mean, he's okay. He ain't got that much lighting. So is this one. Only a little bit of lights. But the one that everybody is coming for on this block, it's right there. As you can see, everybody's there already. See, there's mad people over here already. Let me show you guys. Let's get there. See the decoration? You see Santa already? Look at this. Look. See that? Look. But everybody's here is kind of waiting to take a picture. Look. Look at that. Look at that house, guys. Look at this. Look at that. But everybody truly comes over here. It's for truly just to take a picture. This is kind of why everybody comes over here. Look at that. This is the house that's on the block that everybody wants to come and take a picture with. It's right here. All right, like I told you guys, there's still more houses that we gotta check out. It's a lot of houses we gotta check out together. All right, on the same block, right? Look at this. Look at this house, guys. Look. This is nice. But look when you actually look inside. Look at this. Like, wow. Like, this is just like amazing. You can actually go in, I guess, up to like to that point. Look at this. Don't you feel like this is home? Look. This is nice. And you look at that one. And there's so much people out here. Like literally. We literally just came from that house over there. Look at this house. Look at that beauty. Let me give you guys a nice view. Look at this view. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Guys, you gotta come out here and see it for yourself. Not even through the camera. You gotta come see it yourself. This is a corner property. Look at this one, guys. This is, oh, the artwork over here is just beautiful. Look. Look, the ginger man. Look at this. Yeah, Santa. And Mr. Santa. You know, teddy bear Santa. You know. Snowman. Look at this. This is so... Wow, they even got a skeleton. Look at this. Ah, don't take me. I got a little mix of Halloween and Christmas together at the same time. Look at this. See, everybody's out here. Let's see what this one does. Oh, and they got a projector up there. Wow. So now we on 83rd Street. We on 83rd Street, right? And look at this house that I spotted. Look at this house. It's really lit up, like lit up. As you can see, my face all light up, right? This is a, you know, a little okay house. Let me show you guys. Yeah, that one over there. It's nice, right? Now look. Look at this one. Oh, get that, guys. It is so bright. Look at this.
No, you're fine.
You already got the most of the house into, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is incredible. This is so beautiful. People's taking pictures. Right.
Ready?
Yeah. So,
All right, 1, 2,
there's so much people. We gotta wait online.
Taking a couple.
Kind of take a picture. So.
Awesome.
Okay, guys. That's it with Roman with Mark. If you like what you saw, subscribe, like, and stay tuned for the next light show that I'm gonna do. So stay tuned for that. See ya later.